to my channel. If you are new, I am Sarah, and today is a very exciting day because me and my sister Brittany, we are traveling to Disneyland. I'm so excited. This is going to be the first time I'm vlogging a Disneyland trip. I've only been once, which was last February. We went, both of us, Brittany and I, for Sweethearts Night. It's going to be so much fun because we are going now for the Halloween season. So we will be going to Oogie Boogie Bash. It's going to be our first party at Disney's California Adventure, and we are so excited. We are going for a long weekend. We leave tonight, which is Wednesday, and we head back Monday, and it's just gonna be such a fun sister trip. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. But it is almost 5 o'clock, and we are gonna be heading to the airport. Our flight is around 7-ish, so we're so excited. Hopefully the airport isn't too crazy. We shall see. But I'm so excited to take you guys along with me on this travel day. If you are new, I'm Sarah. Subscribe. I love all things Disney. I live in the Chicagoland area, so if you love city vlogs, I love doing those. I love traveling. I love my kitten Margot. So subscribe. I would love to have you join my teeny community here. But I'm so excited to get into this vlog and this vlog series. So welcome to a Disneyland travel day, and let us head to the airport. So if you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. And of course, like I said, hit that subscribe button down below because you won't want to miss my Disneyland vlogs. It's going to be so fun, so October-y, and just the best time. And of course, sister vibes because my sisters are my best friends. So I did a trip with Rachel, and now I'm heading out with Brittany, and I know you guys are just gonna love it. So let us head to the airport and get ready to head to Disneyland. We have made it! Everyone say hi, Brittany! Sarah spilled my Pepsi. You shouldn't have put it there, maybe. She sat on it. Anyways, we just stopped and got food by our gate. I got a chicken sandwich and Brittany got a Reuben. Yum yum, my go-to. So we're about to eat that, and then we board in like 30 minutes? In 18, actually. Oh! We need to eat really fast. Alright, we're gonna eat and then see you on the plane. We made it! We made it, but at what cost? Our bodies are like falling apart. My knees are aching, my neck is like... Yeah, my neck hurts. I feel like it's severed from my body. Oh my gosh. We made it to our hotel. We are staying at the Grand Legacy at the park, and it is quite literally across the street from Disneyland. Like, you can see Guardians from right outside. So that's pretty crazy. Here's Brittany. I'm gonna do a room tour now. It's pretty nice, and you know, like, Disneyland hotels are so expensive, so if you're looking for something cheaper, a better option with a great walking distance to the park, this is totally a great option. I know a lot of the time when everyone is trying to go to Disney, you're trying to budget, so this is a great way to save money but also enjoy yourself. So let me give you a little room tour right now. Okay, so this is when you walk in and you're right by the door. Here's bed number 1. There's Brittany. Bed number 2 over here. And then we have a connecting door. Those always freak me out. And then we have this little dresser here. We have a fridge and a microwave. And we have like a little coffee station over here, an ice bucket, TV, and then some drawers down here. They're honestly they're honestly pretty nice and deep, so that's nice. We have a chair in the corner here. Brittany and I were wondering if that's like the Skyliner. I don't know. No, it's the Ferris wheel. Oh. Oh, it is. But I was just saying it looks like it looks like the Skyliner. And then we have one bedside table that we're sharing. I'm not sharing it with her, actually. Brittany. So it has this drawer, and then plugs here, phone, Here's my bed. Let me walk you over here. Chair, table. This is the closet. Pretty nice with the hangers. And the ironing board, iron. I think that's the blow dryer there. And then look how cute. Be part of the story. I think that's really cute. And then the air conditioner. Here's a full-length mirror. What is better than that? Okay, let's go into the bathroom. All right, hello. So, toilet, sink. The sink is really nice, and I love how large this mirror is. The only thing is, like, I guess what's nice is, like, if we're both doing our makeup at the same time, like, someone can put their makeup there, someone put their makeup there, and the mirror's big enough. And then, wow, look how cute that picture is. The towels, and then here's the shower here. I think it's super nice. It's really nice in here, and then, you know, extra towels and whatnot down there. But that is the room. I feel like it's really simple, but also, like, has everything you need, really. So, super nice, and we got it for a really good deal. And like I said, we literally walk across the street and we're at the parks. So, pretty ideal, pretty awesome. One day I will stay at one of the Disneyland hotels, but that day is not today. So, that is the room. I think we might unpack a little bit and maybe get like a water and snack or something. And then I'll just check in a little bit. So we just went searching for waters. We went all the way around the buildings, and there were 2 vending machines that we found. They were both sold out of water. So we just got Diet Cokes. So I guess that's our water tonight. But hopefully we can maybe get some. I don't know if the lobby has some, but we didn't want to walk all the way over there after everything. So Brittany's gonna shower, then I'm gonna shower. I'll let you guys know how the shower is, water pressure, whatever, you know. And then probably just head to bed. This is gonna be like a different travel day vlog because, you know, I didn't go into the parks, you know, I'm not staying on property, so it'll definitely be different, but I hope you guys still enjoy it. And obviously it'll be nice to show you guys a more affordable hotel to stay at, so that's really awesome too. But we're gonna shower and then I will close out the vlog after. We are all ready for bed in our matching PJs. I got a comment asking where I got these. They're from Aerie. They're a matching set that came out last year for Halloween that we got, and they have matching socks too, which Brittany has somewhere over there.
But don't ask us what time it is.
Oh yeah, it's like so late. But, and then if you like add the time to what it is at home.
I know, I'm like literally Sarah's like, we have to say goodnight, and I'm delusional. I'm like already said hello, goodbye, and goodnight.
So we're closing out the vlog here. How do you feel?
Delu.
How do you feel about today, our travel day?
Broken.
It was fine. It just the
the
plane ride was.
I thought all the kids were like really well behaved, and it wasn't a bad flight. It just like broke me for some reason.
Yeah, we just feel really achy. Maybe we're just like old.
No, maybe I need ibuprofen.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so happy with the place other than the no water.
Yeah,
but
that was messed up.
It's really nice and cute and just honestly everything you need, especially when you're going to be in the parks all day, like everything's here. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this Disneyland travel day, give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and turn on your post notification bells because you don't want to miss all the Disneyland vlogs. It's gonna be so fun. This is our sister trip, another sister trip. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. We're going to Oogie Boogie tomorrow, so we're really excited, and we don't know what we're doing in the morning yet, but we're thinking we want to go to Trader Sam's before the party, and then we can get in at the party at 3. So that's the plan, and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. So we'll see you tomorrow at Oogie Boogie.